lugar na pwede mong puntahan, may mga destination na hindi mo lang binibisita, kundi binabalikan mo. And for us, this is one of them. This is Calatagan, Batangas, where time slows down. At bigla mo nakakalimutan kung anong araw na. Yung araw nga ba to na nangyari? Ang tagal na kasi bago ko na-upload. Anyhow, welcome to the iconic Calatagan Floating Cottages, aka Little Boracay.
We're going to swim into the ocean!
Dito, hindi lang tanawin ang maganda, pati experience unforgettable. At guys, hindi lang tubig ang makikita mo dito. May pa-bonus pa silang sea creatures. Ang daming starfish, may harmless jellyfish, at ang daming maliliit na isda. So yung mga bata, super aliw na aliw. Honestly, kahit kami rin. Imagine chilling sa bamboo floating cottage habang napapalibutan ka ng clear shallow waters. Parang lumulutang ka sa gitna ng paradise or feeling mo main character ka sa travel vlog mo. Which technically, oo nga naman. Anyhow, marami ding activities. May kayak rental, banana boat, at syempre, lakad-lakad sa sandbar na parang ikaw lang ang tao sa mundo. Hanggang may makasalubong kang ibang naka-photoshoot din. But no pressure, no stress, just pure relaxation. And if you're looking for something a little more stylish and vibrant, welcome to Beach Mediterranean, your Mediterranean escape, without leaving the Philippines. Parang nasa Europe, pero walang jet lag, walang visa, at walang sakit sa bulsa. Perfect for barkada trips, family getaways, or even solo escapes. Meron silang iba't ibang pool sizes, so whether gusto mo mag-relax or magpa-main character ulit, go lang. May free kayak pa. And syempre, bilang adventurers tayo, tinry namin. Guys, first time ko mag-paddle. Akala ko madali. Hindi pala. Si Hubby, very calm. Nagbibigay ng instructions. Sa gitna ka humawak. Ilayo mo yung kamay mo. Ako naman nakikinig. Pero yung kamay ko, may sariling utak. Iba yung ginagawa. Pero, after a few chaotic minutes, ayun, sa wakas, hindi ko pa din nakuha. Kasi minsan, hindi mo naman kailangan maging magaling. Okay lang yan. Kailangan mo lang i-enjoy yung moment. So, ayun, kung feeling sporty ka, go try the kayak. Libre naman. Just, good luck sa direction.
Right. Right. Right pa. Right.
Whether you want to swim, chill, or just take amazing photos, this place has it all. From the white sand to the beautifully designed cabanas, every corner is Instagram worthy. Warning lang, baka mas mapagod ka kakapicture kaysa kakalangoy based on experience. By the way, if mapansin nyo na biglang naging photos yung ibang clips, hindi po kami tinamad mag-video. Promise, masyado lang kaming nag-enjoy dun sa moment na nakalimutan na naming mag-record. So yes, proof yan na legit yung experience. Present na present lang kami. As the night sets in, biglang nag-iiba yung energy from beach mode to paguri natin ng mga bata mode. The sky gets darker, my soft lights all around, and everything just feels calmer. Pati mood mo biglang nagiging soft. Parang wala kang problema kahit madami. Nagiging calm, peaceful, and just a little bit magical. It's in moments like this where you realize you don't have to travel far to find something beautiful. Minsan, nasa sariling atin lang pala. Hindi lang natin napapansin. So if you're looking for your next escape, whether it's for peace, adventure, or memories, Calatagan is waiting for you. Tara, let's go! Because at the end of the day, it's not just the places we go to, but the moments we share. This is Travel, Play, and Love.
Go on a trip!